Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Sam and Lily.
We're really happy you're here with us today. Truly.
Maybe you're making coffee right now, maybe you're brushing your teeth, or maybe you're still under your blanket pretending you didn't hear your alarm.
That's completely okay. You can improve your English even under a blanket.
Yes, blanket English is still English.
Today's topic is simple, but powerful. Morning routine to improve your English.
Not a perfect Instagram morning, not waking up at 5 a.m. with cold showers and loud motivational music.
No, a real morning, a sleepy morning, a normal life morning.
And how you can quietly place English inside it, without stress, without pressure, without changing your whole life. So, Lily, why do we talk so much about morning?
Because morning feels like a blank page. Nothing is written yet.
Your brain is still fresh, not full of emails, not full of noise.
Fresh means your mind is clear. It hasn't carried the weight of the day yet.
Whatever you put first into that morning usually stays longer.
But most people don't put English first.
No, they put notifications first, messages first, stress first.
When we say set the tone for your day, we mean the first minutes decide the feeling of your whole day.
It's like the first song in your playlist. If it's loud and chaotic, the whole playlist feels chaotic.
But if the first sound is calm English conversation, suddenly your day feels more focused.
And the interesting thing is, you don't need 1 hour. You need intention.
Intentional means doing something on purpose, not on autopilot.
Autopilot is when your finger opens social media without your brain deciding.
1 second of awareness can change your whole morning.
As always, we're speaking in clear B1 English.
Slow, simple, safe.
But we'll gently add a few stronger words today.
And when we use them, we explain them clearly, so you don't feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed means your brain feels too full, too heavy.
English should feel like a stretch, not a headache.
Light exercise, not lifting 100 kilos on your first day. Let me tell you about Daniel.
Yes, I remember him.
He works long hours, comes home exhausted.
Exhausted means completely tired, no energy left.
Every night he promised, I'll study later. Later never came.
That feeling is very common.
So he changed something small, very small.
What did he change?
He woke up 15 minutes earlier. Instead of scrolling, he pressed play on a podcast.
Same phone, different button.
After 1 week, he added speaking.
Speaking in the morning?
Yes, in the shower, in the kitchen.
Simple sentences, not perfect grammar.
And little by little, his confidence changed.
Little by little means slowly, step by step, not all at once.
That's how real progress works.
Sometimes we think big actions create big results.
But often, small steps add up.
Like water drops on stone. 1 drop looks small, but many drops change the stone.
5 minutes a day for 30 days is 150 minutes.
That's more than 2 hours without pressure.
Maybe you're thinking, I don't have time.
Sometimes I don't have time means my time is full of habits I didn't choose.
Scrolling is automatic. English can be intentional.
Intentional means choosing on purpose.
You don't need to wake up 1 hour earlier. Just change 10 minutes.
Keep the same coffee. Change what you listen to.
Keep the same train. Change what you do on the train.
English is not just a school subject.
It's a key.
A key to rooms you haven't entered yet.
Jobs, travel, confidence.
Confidence grows quietly in small mornings.
Maybe yesterday you didn't study.
That's okay.
Morning gives you a fresh start.
Fresh start means new beginning, clean page.
Tomorrow morning, try 5 minutes.
Before social media, give English 1 small action.
Listen a little.
Speak a little.
Small steps add up.
Little by little.
Next, we'll build your full 15-minute morning English routine step by step.
So, let's keep going.
So, let's make this practical.
Yes, because ideas are nice, but mornings need action.
Imagine tomorrow morning. Your alarm rings.
Your first thought might be 5 more minutes.
We understand that thought very well.
But instead of fighting the whole morning, we change one small moment.
Step 1. Listen.
Not study, not analyze, just listen.
While you make coffee, while you wash your face, while you sit on the bus.
Your brain in the morning is like a sponge.
A sponge absorbs water easily. In the evening, that sponge is already full.
So listening in the morning helps the words sink deeper.
And don't pause every sentence. Don't try to understand 100%.
Relax your ears. Let English flow around you.
When we say immerse yourself, we mean surround yourself gently.
Immerse means to be inside something, like being inside water when you swim.
5 minutes of immersion every morning changes your listening confidence.
Now, after listening, we wake up the mouth.
Yes, your mouth needs exercise too.
Many learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak.
That's because speaking is a muscle.
If you never use a muscle, it feels stiff.
So after listening, repeat one sentence.
If you hear small steps add up, say it out loud.
Small steps add up.
Feel the rhythm. Feel the movement.
Nobody is judging you in your kitchen.
Your mirror is a very kind listener.
Then speak freely for 1 minute.
Describe your morning. I feel sleepy. Today I have a meeting. I want to stay calm.
It doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be real.
When you speak daily, fear decreases.
Confidence is built by repetition, not by waiting.
Now, step 3. Write.
Writing organizes your thoughts.
Imagine your brain is like a messy desk.
Writing is like putting papers into folders.
3 sentences are enough.
Sentence 1, how do I feel?
Sentence 2, what is important today?
Sentence 3, one thing I'm grateful for.
Grateful means thankful, appreciating something small.
Writing in English connects language with emotion.
And when emotion connects to language, memory becomes stronger.
You're not writing to impress anyone. You're writing to think in English.
Now, step 4, review.
Learning without review is like planting seeds and never watering them.
The seed looks exciting on day 1, but without water, it disappears.
Look at one word from yesterday.
Maybe it was intentional.
Make a new sentence with it.
I want to be intentional with my time.
That's how vocabulary becomes yours.
Some mornings will not be perfect.
Some mornings you will skip.
That doesn't mean failure.
Consistency doesn't mean perfection.
Consistent means returning again and again.
Even after missing one day.
The real change is not in one powerful morning.
The real change is in quiet repetition.
Can you imagine yourself 6 months from now?
Same life, same city, but stronger English.
Understanding faster conversations?
Speaking without freezing.
Feeling less intimidated?
Intimidated means feeling small or afraid in front of something bigger.
Morning routines build quiet courage.
Courage doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers.
So tomorrow morning, don't look for motivation.
Look for discipline.
Discipline means doing something even when you don't feel like it.
Not in a harsh way, in a caring way.
Like a friend reminding you gently.
Your English future is built in quiet kitchens, on silent buses, in small bedrooms before sunrise.
Listen a little.
Listen a little.
Speak a little.
Write a little.
Review a little.
Small steps add up, little by little.
Now, let's slow down for a moment and walk through a few powerful phrases we use today so you can truly own them.
Let's slow down together and really feel some of the phrases we've been using.
Yes, not like a test, not like school, just a calm word walk.
When you hear a phrase many times and you connect it to your real life, it becomes yours.
So let's start with something powerful. Set the tone for your day.
When we say set the tone, we mean decide the feeling.
Imagine walking into a room with soft music and warm light.
Now imagine walking into a room with loud noise and chaos.
The room is different because the tone is different.
Your morning is that room.
You can say, I want to set a calm tone for my day.
Or, I accidentally set a stressful tone this morning.
Notice how that phrase makes you feel responsible, but not guilty.
Because tone is something you can change tomorrow. Let's talk about small steps add up.
Small steps add up means tiny actions become powerful when repeated.
Picture building a wall with bricks.
One brick looks unimportant.
But 100 bricks become structure.
Your 5-minute routine is one brick.
You can say, my daily routine may be small, but small steps add up.
Now let's look at a word that many learners feel: overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed is when everything feels too much.
Too many tasks, too many rules, too many expectations.
Sometimes English feels overwhelming because you try to improve everything at once.
But when you simplify, you reduce that weight.
You can say, I feel overwhelmed when I study too many things.
And then say, so I will focus on one small action.
That sentence alone gives you control.
Another powerful word is intentional.
Intentional means deliberate, chosen, on purpose.
Not automatic, not random.
If you wake up and scroll without thinking, that's not intentional.
If you pause and choose English, that is intentional.
You can say, I want to be more intentional with my mornings.
When you use this word, you start feeling stronger inside.
Let's talk about discipline.
Discipline means doing something even when you don't feel like it.
Not punishment, not suffering.
It's commitment to your future self.
You can say, I don't always feel motivated, but I stay disciplined.
Discipline feels small in one moment, but powerful over time.
Now let's make this even more personal.
Yes, imagine your future self 6 months from now.
You're in a meeting and someone speaks fast English.
And instead of freezing, you understand.
Instead of panic, you respond calmly.
That confidence didn't appear suddenly.
It was built in quiet mornings.
Some days will feel boring.
Some mornings you won't feel inspired.
That's normal.
Progress doesn't require excitement. It requires repetition.
Repetition builds fluency.
Fluency doesn't mean perfect grammar. It means flow.
Flow means your thoughts move without stopping too much.
And flow comes from daily contact with English.
So let me ask you something honestly.
What is the first thing you usually do after waking up?
Be honest in your mind right now.
What if tomorrow you change only that first action?
Just that one moment.
Because identity changes through tiny decisions.
Identity means who you believe you are.
When you choose English first, you start seeing yourself as someone who grows.
Not someone who waits.
Your morning doesn't need to be dramatic.
It just needs to be intentional. Listen a little.
Speak a little.
Write a little.
Review a little.
Little by little.
Small steps add up.
Now, let's move into something even deeper.
Let's talk about the mindset that protects this routine and how to stay consistent when life becomes busy. Let's talk about something very real now.
What happens when life becomes busy?
Because life will become busy. That's not a question.
Some mornings, you will wake up tired.
Some mornings you will feel stressed.
Some mornings, you won't feel motivated at all.
And that's normal.
The problem is not feeling tired.
The problem is quitting completely.
Consistency doesn't mean perfect mornings.
It means returning.
Returning again and again and again.
Sometimes we believe that success requires big energy.
But most progress comes from small discipline.
even when motivation disappears.
Motivation is emotional.
Discipline is intentional.
Motivation says, I feel excited.
Discipline says, I will show up. And showing up for 5 minutes is still powerful.
Let's imagine two versions of you again.
Version 1 says, I'm too busy.
Version 2 says, I'm busy, but I can give 5 minutes.
Which version builds stronger English after 6 months?
The second one, always.
Because English grows from contact, daily contact.
And here's something important.
What is it?
Stop waiting to feel ready.
Ready is a feeling. Routine is a decision.
You don't need confidence to start. Confidence comes after starting.
That's how growth works.
Can I ask something personal?
Of course.
Gentle, when you imagine speaking English fluently, how does it feel?
It feels light. It feels free.
It feels like doors opening.
That feeling is built in small mornings,
Not in one dramatic weekend,
not in one intense grammar session.
but in quiet repetition.
Let's talk about identity again.
Yes, identity is powerful.
When you repeat a behavior daily, you begin to see yourself differently,
Not as someone trying to improve English.
but as someone who improves English.
That small shift in identity changes everything.
Because actions follow identity.
So tomorrow, don't just do English.
Be someone who does English.
That sounds small, but it's powerful.
Before we finish, we want to give you a small challenge.
Yes, a simple one.
Tomorrow morning, choose one of the 4 actions.
Speak, listen, write, or review.
Do it for 5 minutes.
Then ask yourself, how do I feel?
Write 1 sentence in the comments about your experience.
We truly read your sentences.
And if you don't comment,
I will be very sad.
very, very sad.
I might sit in the corner, drinking tea, whispering, why didn't they subscribe?
And we really don't want that.
So please, save Lily.
Like this episode.
Like, subscribe to the channel.
And share it with one friend who also wants calm English practice.
Your support helps this little podcast grow.
And helps more learners turn their mornings into English time.
Tomorrow morning, when your alarm rings,
Take 1 breath.
before the noise,
Before the rush.
choose one tiny English action.
Listen a little.
Speak a little.
Write a little.
Read a little.
Your progress doesn't end here.
To continue advancing your English skills,
Click on the next video.
or explore the additional videos we've thoughtfully selected for you.
This was Speak English with Sam and Lily.
Take care,
Keep going.
and we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for spending time with us.
Bye everyone and have a wonderful day.